Yeah man, glory be to the most I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. But the first time you watch the channel, subscribe man, everything good, everything airy. Hope say you're good enough. We are experiencing some cold front in the yard, yeah. But it's good.
Hey guys, welcome to JAMMIWOOD TV show where we get the best movie them. Like, share and subscribe. That's all? That's all for you?
Alright. Yeah man, glory be to the most I give thanks to life. Yeah man, that's all man. Remember to subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah man. So the new artists them, we're going to see what go on. Watch the movie, leave a comment, you know. Alright. Good comment.
Tell a friend. So subscribe.
Alright, let's go. One place I want it. You can't have show. Here.
Hello? Mommy? Where are they? Oh, come they're around here, so we're fine, you know. Oh, alright, they're back. Oh, so what's around? They're around the corner. Oh, let me say. Anyways, more access up, you know.
How you so
Me I want to room as I go on. That's the me jacket.
I bet you get me rush round things like emergency.
Yes, correct. They must send me a jacket.
You busy with what people are saying?
But more never true.
You look like jackets. You look like piece of clothes.
No.
So how you can be jackets?
I want everybody else, everyone we got me a ear, you send me a jacket.
My business with the business you can't take care say go court. Eh?
Me know, but I what they must say every day me get up me hear about it and me think about it far away.
Yeah, I mean, what people are selling to the streets to perplex your brain.
Yeah, kind of for that because I wonder. Me really not favor that if it's true. Me not
That's
no
because you
like
look like me and my side of family.
I mean, you have nice chocolate color. Look at me black and that the brown. So come
So you believe say it's only me and your father in your family. You don't believe say black, brown, Chinese, Indian in your family.
Yeah, but me come black. Me shall at least get daddy little complexion. Me shall light skin, light complexion.
You know, say you have him ways. You know, say when him mother sleep, you and him lie down the same way. Mark your father, we don't know what kind of foolishness. Little girl, you have me a rush and a panic to say something wrong and something to you.
What's up wrong? Something wrong.
Don't worry about people out the street. When them don't know your business, them know more about your business than you.
So what if what them a say are true?
Oh, so you don't know about the birds and bees in school?
Yeah, but what if what them a say are true? What if already you're not ready to tell me yet? And you want weird liquor?
Let me tell you something. And me and your father no more make you, yeah? When me and your father did I make you, nobody else did in the room. Nobody else never even did in the house, much less the room. So me want to know how Dick, Tom and Harry are going to tell you how you make. Hi, since when is Mark to you? A daddy to you?
Me not have no of him. Nothing. Me not get no of him. Not even good color. Me black till me can do see me say me come like I'm slippers.
Hey, and black is beauty. Don't be ashamed of it.
Me not shame my but me not get no of him.
My grandfather was Mosquito Indian. By the way, I hope come full up your head with them. God know why me can't stand like the woman, you know. God know why me can't stand like the woman. She might be my sister or so them say, but them have to still prove it to me. Let me tell you something. You see anything you're so-called auntie, I tell you,
But I hear sister.
a foolishness. So them say. My mother bring her home and tell me, said that to my sister. Me need proof still. She did after your father. And sure your father have little sense. And protect and stick to the one who will have him back. She ever bad mind me from then, you know. Me raise her. And she bad mind me. But me not say nothing. Me just stay far from her. And now she
Well, that's like one our business. That is
well, it's not true.
Well, as she tell me so, I'm here from other people. So unless she want to tell people something,
And that
she
she
tell
do.
me, but I will make here.
And that she do the
And
whole
I make
time.
one auntie tell me. So what you expect me to do?
Alright, baby girl. Me now quarrel with you because I can understand your confusion. Let me tell you something. I yes so you come from. I yes so you make and I yes so you come from. And me stretch out for 57.5 hours to bring you into this world. Nobody can tell me nothing. Your father and me make you. No start no bring you. No other man no make you. Here? And me want to know if your auntie or anybody else today in the room where me and Mark can make you. Mark is your father here, and me is your mother. And I love you. Nobody make people mess up your head and mess up your vibe. You concentrate on your education and doing better in your life. Alright. Alright. You call him Mark no more. My friend is someone. Alright. Let me bring home the shopping now. Alright. Little more. Fire. Fire, you need to come and meet me right you know.
Oh, where are you there?
Me there behind this, you know where we used to meet, man. The same place where we used to meet. Come quick.
Oh, but then nearby brewery.
Alright, me case. Get too much.
want to know.
Why? May I ask you a question? You walk and I talk say my daughter belongs to you?
No man, we no doubt are you know. Are you tell me for a long time, every time I say want her in my name.
No matter.
Yeah, tell me about Mark, Luke and John. And you say it's cool. So it's really cool. You say wait till you reach an age, but they are weird. What the problem now? Your car.
So I know you for true.
No man, he's a nice person, you know. And you tell him to be nice and everything went nice. So you say, alright then, me a wait. Remember I check you when she was like this little, when she catch 5, you say wait till she at 10.
Yes.
When I check you when she at 10, you say wait till she at 11. You check you say wait till she at 12. When she catch 15, you say wait till she at 16. When she catch 16, you say wait till she at 17. You
can't disrupt her, man.
So,
because you can't disrupt her life. Now she'll look to at the most important time of her life now, you know, with her education and her 6th form and thing. So we can't deal with the disruption now.
right. Because really and truly, you know, we're not really broke, you know. Because we can't do my thing. You understand?
I never say you're broke, but at the same time, you don't want the disruption in her life.
All right.
Mark is her father, and Mark she know.
Alright. Because, alright, now you know. So I could just lower it down, so you say wait, me I wait patiently. Right? So me I wait. So that's what I call me for.
Because she hear certain things, and my sister for one, love round up her mouth, and she hear certain things from the street, but your name not called yet.
No, me hear her sister talking. Me hear her she talk and say right, but she don't know who are the next man. But she said that everything cannot be faithful to man. Me she tell me, but me keep my mouth shut. That one side me dep on this one word. Flash on wall and she come down and attack. You know what I mean? And so come hear the whole conversation and me just say, you don't say a word, you know.
You know say nothing.
Me don't say nothing nice. You understand?
I don't want everything mash up, you know.
No man, you're good.
Mark never know about you.
Yeah man, so everything good man. But me I wait still. When she was certain she can keep her mouth, then maybe you can tell her and I meet her one place to do for DNA and ensure bam everything. Alright?
I'm gonna cross that bridge when we come to it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cross that bridge.
Just need to know say it wasn't you.
Nah man, no man. So not my mouth shut, you know? Yeah man. So you're good too?
Yeah man. Alright, no man forget it. No man forget it.
Alright, may I saw something to you.
Alright, you go off first.
Alright.
It's me and you. Alright. She telling me that? Watch me on the beach.
Sister, they get one money if you can buy a donut.
You want donut?
Yeah.
Okay. Put that money, you know. Here.
Yeah. Now go find the road now, go hustle some money.
What you gonna do for hustle money?
You know, so me I gonna make my business card, but my only rent is for home and no more.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Girl, me buy the phone then, no, but I go rent you and make them TV, you know.
You take me a phone? You take me a idiot? You think who gonna take with the phone here? Only who me know, I mean nobody leave me I get a phone here.
Alright.
Alright,
Make sure you come back here with the phone there.
Alright, sister.
Girl, me come for rent the phone. What you say again? For an hour.
$100 for your hour.
Okay then. I want a 2 hour. Me have $200.
Show me money.
Sit here. They good.
You know, some man credit not the funny phone, just say I don't have to buy credit for funny.
Me know. know say OP ill me go do he service down here so down.
That's just like how you get the phone good, bring it out good. And make sure you don't drop it up there. And make sure you bring back the phone in one piece. Whoa.
I know girl. Hey. Up on top, girl.
Yeah, babe, I know. I remember say Valentine's Day I come up to, you know. Yeah, I'm a want my roses, them and all the nice things. Yeah. I mean, no say you chop a say anyhow you chop and get a piece of money. If you can buy me one red carrot. Yeah, or if you can buy red carrot, buy one bicycle.
Girl. I don't have enough credit. Yeah. You see? Hurry up and talk. I don't have enough credit for my phone now, see.
Yeah, man. Come on, all like good stuff them for my Valentine's. Yeah. My see credit done. Hello, young miss. May I talk to you a minute there? Hello. Hello, miss. Hello, young miss. God, got that head. Hello, miss. Yeah, you may talk to. Oh, God.
I just buy this credit, I know, girl. Hurry up and talk.
Hello, young miss. I. Miss. Oh.
Alright, girl. Just said for your bad man. Yeah, girl. Wait the girl. Soon call about. The credit are done.
Hello, good afternoon. You know, see me walk come out front and you read a while ago. My mother did call me and tell me something very important. But the phone hang up. I mean, I know. Oh, you can't give me a call because
Okay,
I'm not
sure.
there. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, what going, babes? Yeah, no, say credit done, man. Yes, as me there say, you see, I want a red car for Valentine's Day, you know, and some roses and things. I like good stuff, them, you know. Yeah, and if you can't buy a car, you buy one bicycle then. Yeah, baby. I mean, me know say if man no celebrate Valentine's Day, you know, but me and day and for me day, you have to celebrate if me can happy. And give me a like good stuff them. Yeah. And so me know say you love me, no? Oh my God. Yeah. Anyways, listen to me. You see, all I place when you care X got all like good stuff them when you buy her, me want the same thing them there. Me know you think say me I don't know look how waste time girl where you can just grow on, you know. Yeah, if you say you love me, I've got to prove it to me. Yes. Cause me no know loose girl. I don't know one touch and let go this. Yeah. So yeah, everything will mess up more for Valentine's Day. Yeah, more I want a piece of phone me I use. Me I want iPhone 16 too. Yeah, more a thing I read too. Yes. Yeah, baby, me know. Oh God, man. I don't know me love you. Me say, yeah. I like good stuff them, be. I like good stuff them. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hello, girl.
Hold on, baby. Yes.
You talk too long now, you know.
Remember me talk too long?
I call you big.
Yeah, but me
And my
talk.
credit are done.
Listen, me talk to me man and
You
them.
say
Me
you talk. You
I
call your
talk
mother.
to me man and them. I go call
No,
me mother and
you
hear
say
what
your
she
mother
say.
you call.
Listen, let me continue talk. Leave me alone. Yes, baby. I girl, I can't raise me up for your phone, boss me bigger a car. So what that do? Yes.
You don't talk it.
No, you see
You
what me
must say I
done
call
talk?
you big. And my credit are done.
Me not done talk
You know
yet.
say.
Me
you
talk to
turn
my
me
man,
and say
then
I
me
go
call my
your
mother. Yeah, you have to go wait.
A man a call for me
Yes.
phone. Me must say my phone.
Me no business. So what you know, be?
You don't talk it.
You see what me done talk?
Hmm?
You see what me done talk?
I credit me borrow.
So what that have to do?
And my credit soon done.
So?
You turn to me and say I go call your mother.
And so what?
And
Yeah,
you
me
use
say
the
me I
phone
go
call
call my
man.
mother, but me have to call my man
You know
first
say-
and then me call mother after. One tear. Girl, stop in there is a weird. When me done talk to my man and call my mother, then you get back your piece of phone. I don't know if she a go and solve a piece of phone, but she already credit.
You see why me not like sorry for people.
What
Me
wrong?
give you a room. And you sitting there all.
So why what
You
wrong?
talk on my phone too long.
Yes, me
And
want
I credit
room
me
and
borrow.
all. Yes, me want room and all. Me want everything.
You go buy back my credit
You
for
can't
that
buy back which credit?
Where? Hello. You don't talk for the time yet.
No.
Me must say my phone.
Randy. No, me
You
don't
talk
talk
on
it
the phone
away.
so long.
Oh, so you have fear
Yes,
for
on
you
my
come back
phone.
me up.
Yes, I'm supposed
Oh,
to because
alright,
of my
stand up
phone.
there, girl. Stand up there. I text it in boss.
Yourself, man. You have to get it back in a one piece. Me I go up this man.
Alright, go on.
Yeah. Me about this and take away phone. Look for miss.
Take over? Say that again, what you say? So what you say again?
Started. Leave your part take away phone.
You see, anytime I get back my phone, you're gonna hold me. You hold me. Describe the girl.
She actually black and short.
Back and short. No short from. No short from the alley.
Yeah, she.
I say, girl, badness nice, you see? I say, girl, me just beat up one girl a while ago, make sure to run the fire phone. I mean, I pray if you sell this too. Because I can make one good money off of it. I mean, so if you all want 50,000. Yeah, girl, you're good condition, girl. No crack, nothing on the pan. You want if you buy? Alright, girl, no problem. Just link me up right now. Alright.
See your phone where you take from the girl with the pink long sleeve. Who do you want it back?
Oh, you know. What you want if you do? A fear hit?
Yes, and my phone when my sister give me. And I hit me use my hustling to me know where I try to stop my thing.
Hello, let me tell you something.
I hit me use
Let me tell you something, little girl. Me just call my friend and I make sale for this. A 50,000 me I sell it for so. You not get back the phone if I fear hit it too. You're not getting it. I eat me I go sell and make my food. So please to excuse me.
Not because I think you're tall like Papa and Tree. Me want back my phone. My mother teach me how to fight. My father don't want nobody beat me up. So nothing, I'm soft.
Hello, look at me. Excuse me, so before me step on here, I will crush you out like ants.
Come step on me and look up.
Alright. Cannot give me time. No, you should run. You should not stand up. You should not stand up. You should run.
I know, sister, now. Sister. She had to take out my phone and she took out a big stone for me.
Yeah. Which girl that?
Me rent my phone and he got a big top of girl and take out my phone.
How much it cost you the way, girlie? How much it do this? Where's she there?
She went to ride there, so I don't know what she did. She went to ride this. See her there.
Oh, probably there.
Yeah, I want my phone.
So no. Talk, have you seen them talking? No, so why Tony come and say that me want to know? So, I want to ask you now, what you do with fear phone? Well, she claimed to say she rent phone, because I never say nobody rent phone, I first me hear that. Me tell her something. I never say she with no phone, I never see me take no phone from. So what you mean you never say she with no phone? I fear phone, me buy her phone. And you did have the phone, me take the phone from?
No, miss, I rent the phone. I run the
Me
phone.
say never she have the phone, or deaf stick back off in the
See the
ear. Wait, I fear the phone. I not my phone, but what happened? Me sure not for your phone. So what happened? Give me the phone. Oh, so I come for bad me up. Of course. This is a girl that really feels so. No, see, they're gonna take a copy. Me not afraid for go take a copy. Hey girl, they better take up the phone them. But I don't want to tear now, look girl. First thing, I don't feel your phone, girl. I don't feel your phone, girl. Me killing you now. Me killing you. Hey, when you come out to my sister, me don't ramp, girl. Me don't ramp. Me don't ramp. Me don't ramp. Girl, don't ramp with me sister, girl. Me beat up, me kill up with me sister. Don't ramp with me sister. Don't ramp with me sister, girl. Don't ramp. Come on here. Look at that girl, you know. You take back, you know. I'm pass back, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Me soon shout you back still. Yeah, man. Me the work I done, man. No worry about that. Yeah, maybe I get some new workers come in and get the work done. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Alright. What I'm doing now?
I know, say, make her rent one phone from one girl. And one girl take away, mash you up and beat me up.
One girl take your phone.
Yeah.
How big is the girl?
And she actually kind of short.
Show me how short she be.
Like so.
Like so?
Yeah.
And you know, come so? You see, you never learn nothing. Me and you.
They must say me can't fight, you know.
Listen me. But at least we can never run there. So, I want to say something to you. Me say run. Before she take, come here, me I talk to you, because you stand up, man. Stand up. Yeah, me step fit me. Me no know how you're so soft. Why you so soft?
You don't know, say, he girl take up and big stone
Me
off
not talk
for me.
before that. When the sharp girl a come and you know say you can't fight. Why you never run with the phone then?
Me never can do nothing.
So on get the phone for you first.
She asked me for a call.
She beg your call.
She call her mother.
Yeah.
And me give her the phone.
They give her the phone to call her mother.
And she take up big stone off for me.
So what she do? She call her mother?
No.
What she do?
She call man.
So you give her phone for call mother, she use the phone call man.
Yeah.
And then what you do after that?
Me not do nothing.
So you not tell her say you want the phone and now?
Yeah, and
Oh.
she bad me up and sitting and all playing big stone up on me. Me have to run.
Look like you come and hold if you then take step by you. Eh? Eh? So what about the... Well, no. I can't help you. Every day is the next problem. Boy I beat you, woman I beat you, look up me I beat you, old woman I beat you. Remember the old woman take it and lick across your face with it?
I want to beat me next.
Look like you could beat yourself.
It looks so.
Because it's rough. Anyway, your mama alright?
Yeah,
Enough you ask about your mama, you know, because she not do me good.
I'm glad you know.
But boy, for your stepfather there?
Hmm?
Your step papa where you have.
In the up there, man.
So why every time and me you link, you not link your stepfather? Go and go link your stepfather and tell him the story too. Go tell him.
Me and him can't agree.
You and him can't agree. Anyway, you should have tell your mama not to give me bun and stick with me. I would have fight a life battle them for you.
Everybody get born in a life, in a part of life.
Everybody get... Hey, take your time, go on. Take your time, go on. Here? You take your time, go on. I have things to do.
Yeah, later, man.
I can't help you.
Grandma, Bika, come to okay. Grandma, Bika, come to okay. Bika. Grandma, Bika, come to okay. Grandma, Bika, come to okay. You teach more than
Then, you know me want somebody to help me clean up the house. So I'm looking for see Miss Joyce's granddaughter for me.
in Ghana, America.
Me not think she gone in America. Me think a country Miss Joyce and her. But go and go look if you see her.
Okay.
Yeah. Send out then you could pick me up. Just watch her. And she dey muggle like she a nice.
Miss Dad says she's gone at home.
Alright then, me have to go find somebody else. But come on, me walk go for the road, go see if we find nobody. Watch her, you know what I do? And somebody me dance and me I look for and me see you. But me I ask you if you can come and me I can help me do some things and me pay you because
girl, when?
today,
When? Right now?
yeah right now, me did I look for somebody else but me here say she not there so me say me I go look if me see nobody but me see you a good thing. But me have some things that me hard to do and me I go here you feel help me. So come on. Come on Leah.
Action!
Come Leah.
You really look. Power team money in a girl.
Yeah, I'm here. Me I get one 10 grand money. Watch out.
You really look. Power team money in a girl. How much you have to pay me?
Yeah, me I go pay man and me I go get her one 10 grand also.
You sure?
Yeah, you see a place look at tidy one tidy pants and you get no time. Once you done you will Leah stop jump on the bed. Once you done you will get paid man. So not much now you have to do so you have to clean up in the back room in the room yourself. So when you're done you meet me out the door. Here? So you have to go around this up and tidy up around this. Well, with the outer door, anything you want to know. Why?
You did this, you know?
You don't
Go
know?
look.
Yeah, me I go look. Tell the best of me at home. Let me go look.
You can come too?
Come on.
And look good, man.
Anyways, come on. We are going on the road.
Alright.
Leah stay in our yard. The two come back.
Ah.
That house, me say, me let say, me say, me come back home here.
Alright. I'm gonna move.
Girl, I know I said me did promise you 110 grand, but I know I say this may have, but let me make a get you for your money. You promise you 10 grand, but I 2 days may have.
2 bills this, you know. A deal, you know. But 2 bills can buy.
Girl, that can buy bag juice, that can buy biscuit and bola. What you mean, what that
No,
can
sir.
buy? It can buy enough something, girl. Me promise you rest your money. Me promise you you can go get it.
If I say so then. A 10 grand, you know. And these are 2 bills.
Girl, I that me have that can buy enough things.
It's not good.
Me tell you say I get to rest your money, say I get to rest your money, you go get it.
A deal. And a 2 bills this.
Girl, that can more than buy what you buy. Girl, go on your way, say here. That can more than buy what you buy. So girl, what happened? My 2 bills not good enough for you?
No.
Let me see the 2 bills there. So wait, my 2 bills not good enough for you?
No.
You know, let me see the 2 bills there. You know, me promise a 10 grand, but you know what happened now? You're not getting none. Girl, watch it fire. Don't make... So wait, my 2 bills not good enough for you?
No.
Girl, don't make me have to start out here. That more than can do enough things. You know what? If you don't want me 2 bills, give me back my money. Give me my money. You promise a 10 grand, but you know what? You're not getting nothing, girl. I know me have to try this out to fling you out from outside now. Go about your business. Me not better pay nothing. Go on. So girl, you make me have to try and fling you and make you move for yourself. You know what? So girl, you feel like this. Yo, I think Philly with this sword, you know, man.
Oh. Only jolly. Well, I'm not more in this place. I'm going to take down this part. You know, the wall of God, take down. It's a road, couple bars too.
Yo, I free.
How we get that talk there from? But yo, why free? Why free do what? Eh? Why? I said you talk to big somebody, boss it. You tell us you go turn a Rasta girl one at a time, you know. So you know lock up your ear and turn a Rasta and say, ja! Rasta for a long time, but that's what you do, you know. Where your mama there?
She a fire.
As me look at stepdaughter, you know. I try my best with you. How things with you now?
Good.
Good, well, I hope so. Your mama find new man now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like the new man?
Yeah.
More than me. So yeah, they are going back to where you come from? You like new man more than your original stepfather?
Yeah. May I get things?
Yeah, I get things. I same thing your mama. She love things. Anyway, at the same thing me use and get your mama. Making left your papa. Because she love things. As a young girl, you're like my daughter. You know if you love things unless you work for things. You have follow the mama footstep?
No.
Alright, so what go on, you know, what go on with you? Oh, the education.
Good man.
The education good. Oh, you talk so. Good man. No do that, man. You're a girl. You must have femininity. Femininity. It's good. It's okay. You not talk to no farm out there. But not say no bro and no brother. You know young girl that talk the way there. But anyway, you try to Rasta long time. We were small. We twine up a year, you know. I met the girl them fix up a few. And your mama comb it out and cream it out and gel it out. She don't like them leave it today. So when you say I go on for you, would do it differently.
We don't say some girl not talk bully me and sitting.
Some girl that bully you.
Yeah.
So you can check me to fight the girl them.
Yeah.
You're
You
bright and facey. When you not go for the stepfather you like so much, make him fight them for you.
I know.
You don't know. Who wants to beat you?
I want fat and short girl.
But me here say, enough things me hear you know, because I try to keep track of things because I'm a stepdaughter. They have high plans to you and your mama. But everything good. Anyway, what I go do for you, I have to teach you a karate for you small, you know. You understand? But that never work out. But me hear say one boy backs up and a beat you too. What you're young, what you did boyfriend at them time yeah?
Life is short in a happy.
Life is short. Who tell her that story? And what? Where is that to me a while ago?
Life is short.
And what?
You have to enjoy your life.
So you enjoy your life?
Yeah.
And the girl ma beat you, and man a beat you. You like beating?
No,
So you're smiling so
you can't do nothing about it.
you can't adapt them and lick you. So you smile. Serious up your face, let me show you something now. Serious up your face. Give me this, show me soldier face now. Me not say if you twist up your lip. Me say serious up your face. Me blood. How your last name? Smiley? Cause all let me tell yourself is serious up. You still a smile. Come so. Wipe off your smile off of your face, my friend. No man. Rub your face like so. Come so. No, your lip a flat out. Push out it then. So. I got me laugh though. Because me no know. Me try with you. I see why they beat you, then think you're an idiot. That's all.
Yeah.
And you're smart. So why you cannot tap laugh? You can't tap laugh. Me go show it back, but boss you now. I'm about them to link you, you know. To link you from what there. Alright? Me go make you save yourself. This is waiting for me. I'm waiting for my granny. I actually use in Vietnam. You know Vietnam?
Yeah.
Why Vietnam?
Like foreigners.
Huh? Like foreign? No. Vietnam a war place. You crawl by your belly. Alright, you about nanny? What you about nanny say?
Nanny and the Maru.
Nanny and the what?
Maru.
Maru or maroon?
Maroon.
Maroon. Them used to use bush and cover them face, but this have the power in it. This have the power in it. So once you put on this, it make you invincible. You know what I mean of invincible? What is invincible?
Nobody can see you.
Nope. Invincible mean that you're great. Nobody can touch you. Invisible means nobody can see you. So this is gonna make you what? In what? We're gonna make you invincible. Not invincible. They go can see you. But they're not gonna know say you. They're not gonna see your teeth smile. Anybody will do nothing, you put on it and you go for them. And this is gonna make us strong. But you know if you do it for evil, do it for good. They say if you do it now, if you become the bully, you go take all your power. Once you put on this, you have power. Right?
Yeah.
You see when you use it down, you bring it back to me. It must not fall into the hands of the wrong, of the wicked. What I say if you do with it, good only. Only who bully you, they take a revenge. Go.
By the way, how you catch in how you reach in my house? By the way, how you reach in my house?
I window we come through.
So how you reach to my window everywhere locked? Everywhere locked, you know?
I window we come through.
Girl, don't make me have to go report of the thief, you know? Girl, don't make me have to go report it. Me not even...
Hello. My money me come find.
Where you say come
My
from?
money me come
Girl, me tell you one thing already. Me not run out the other day.
No me come from. No me have to let out this fire.
I said, not even funny at this point.
Nobody can see me, you know.
What do you mean by nobody can see you?
No me have to knock you out of this, you know.
Girl, you know me I got your money and me.
Hey, girl. Respect me, you know. I mean, money me come find, you know.
Alright. Me I got your money. Thank you your money. See ya. Look how much me like. remember me.
You remember me? I see a girl ready beat up. Which party phone there?
Which phone?
My
Me no know
phone.
not about no phone. Which phone?
My phone.
What phone?
My phone.
That's your damn name. Oh, are you?
Yes, it's me.
For me not having phone, the girl they come back to it with her sister come beat me up and then take you and gone. Me no know them there. And God almighty. Why? Ah! Ah! Murder Jesus! Me no know. The girl come back for me no know. For me to the honest.
Wait, ready now. Action.
You see you owe me a sorry, you know.
Me sorry, me terrible sorry. Me sorry, what? Jesus Christ. Don't kill me, I beg you.
can't
Please
kill
don't kill me, I beg you, please. Oh, Jesus.
You never know.
Hey, what you say?
You never know.
No, me do anything for you. Why? Don't leave me, Jesus.
So me, what more to your hand? Me not kill you, you know.
Where I go? Why, Jesus Christ. Why? 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 Jesus Christ! Alright, now, baby, I beg. Why? God, why is the why? Why? Why?
Go on. You're good. Go on now.
You know, you get back revenge.
You get back revenge now. How come? Really, you nothing to see me now.
Oh, what
Well, go
You
on.
know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get back revenge now.
You get back revenge.
Yeah.
A lie.
Yeah.
The mask work.
Yeah. You work, man.
So what you do?
Me, get back everything, yo.
People them who beat you, you beat them back.
Yeah.
And who take things on you, take things you,
Yeah.
you get it back.
Yeah. Me get them back, man.
Boy, you love the outfit you do.
Yeah.
How buy gear, say father?
Yeah.
I must see that I can't wear it so much. Everywhere me go, me see and I said one. Man,
You love it, man.
you love it.
Yeah.
I wonder if I tie the entire
You
night.
look so.
Anyway. You have a mask though.
Yeah. You want it back?
No man. You keep it until nobody trouble you again.
Yeah, man.
What about the man who used to beat you? You know lick him yet? Or you lick him too?
Yeah.
You beat up the man too?
Yeah. Me get some lick the other day, man.
Feel good now?
Yeah, me good now.
Alright, well, that's somebody me there wait pan. Some piece of money me wait pan.
You good though?
Yeah man, I good. You know what I mean? So you can be nice all your life and make everybody take step for
You
you.
know, man.
One of the days them you have to what?
Get back.
You have to
revenge.
stand up and
Yes.
get your
For
revenge.
yourself.
Yeah. You can nice every time you nice people walk over you.
You know, man.
Alright. You ain't link me and tell me say you rent phone. Right? Want to your phone.
Mash up, man.
Somebody mash up your phone. You see it? That's what life said. But through yourself, that's why they mash you up. You see the day when you start stand up for yourself is the day when people start show you respect. I bet that the people them who you revenge for now and they see they look quite different. Some of them go down like run for you and you don't have any mask. Because they go remember, say yo, when they mess with you, there will be consequences. Alright? Keep the mask, man. And make it be a lesson. Until nobody trouble you, you put it on and you go for them.
I mean, you was the fan then.
Yes. Because it make you strong. The mask there make you strong. So when you put it on, you come to when you take off this here, you put it on. Yeah, man. So how your mama?
You good, man.
She good. She put on one of the masks and get some backside lick before she do to me. But anyway, she good. I live better life I know. And the people where she name want me own. You think me night time I know me go own up my own. Right? So me
That's the right thing, man.
me I do the right thing because it's an inspiration same way cause she have a mask and you stand up for yourself I turn up to myself when I time them, man. Today, yeah. But anyway, go on there thing, I put some money in my red pan. Yeah, man, so later. Big up yourself, yeah, my favorite stepdaughter. It's time to get my own daughter in my name now. Later.
I am so tired.
Yeah, look a girl.
Hi.
Let's say.
Bye.
What is your name?
Sasha.
Sasha. You know, say. What's your mother name?
My mother?
Mm.
Shamin.
Alright. Long, how much you know?
Me? Like 18.
Alright. From your band, there's a secret, right? And
Secret?
yeah, nobody can tell you. But reach your point and now, me have to tell you. Somewhere along the line, me and Charmaine get entangled. She have a boyfriend, but you're a big girl now, you understand. His name Bun. She
Yeah,
give her boyfriend Bun with me, the Rasta man. And I saw come you come in at the picture. But she know, maybe she not tell you, or nobody not tell you. But I mean, I'm your real father.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but we don't have no control over it. Because at the end of the day,
Wait.
the real man, take time soak it in.
No, Mike, I'm my father.
No, man.
Yes, Mama say Mike, I'm my father. I don't know other
Yes.
father.
Come tell us something, man. Come tell us something. Mike and your mama went there. So, and Mike, she went live with
I'm still live with him.
same way. But in the period of time, you don't know what, she come check me and it just happen. And when it happen, and me start sleep. Me I lose my work after way me sleep. If I go work, me drop asleep, I know me no wake up within any time. When me get fire, me realize there's something wrong. Because normally me a boy not sleep so much. But in other time, me just asleep. And then, me realize, say, she pregnant. At first, you know, we expect it to try to hold it because I know might not give my opinion like Mike can't breathe her. They're not compatible. You understand no more?
So wait. So all the rumors that I did hear are the
You
truth?
hear rumor?
Yeah, I did ask mommy about me say nothing no go so.
Well,
She say Mike my father.
anyway, it's all out now because every time I talk to her, she know you know. Because she know, she tell me say, yo, my picnic, you be. But me not say, do not DNA or tell you about it until maybe I wait till you are 80 then. Because every time from you are 5, you say wait till you are 6. When you are 7, you say wait till you are 8. When you are 30, you say wait till you are 50. You understand? So, it take too long to tell you. So, I tell you today. And
So you sure say I am my father?
me sure, man. Me sure.
Why?
So, me, for them time, they I save a piece of money for you.
Auntie tell me now, me tell her say. Auntie tell me and she say nothing no go so.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm your father and me have money now. So me are blessed with a piece of money. They may have US money, you know. Me have a whole heap of money where that is concerned. For you. Because I open and look at account pay differently, but you will get that in due time. But so I look at US there,
Thank you.
you spend it wisely, and for your birthday them me have save up money. Everyone your birthday them save the money and put the money away for you. You understand?
Yeah.
So don't worry yourself. Me are your real father now, you know. What do a DNA if you confirm me? But me know.
Okay.
Alright. And you have a family to meet one at the time then.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
So, me can't play the nice guy no with your mother, because your mother tell me say she not tell you. But you need to know the truth, because you're bigger now. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. So, do what you have to do, and me will talk.
Alright?
Alright?
Yeah.
Come fire. How you do? You good?
Well, me But yeah, smile though. But me I want tell you said everything look nice everywhere. Because the last time me hear reason about tell the people say me and father. Me say me play it nice but you can't do the nice thing no more.
No man, me tell you for wait.
But you wanna know? Today me see her. I come up her uncle. Because she not there with the fire again.
No, I should have that for sure.
Yeah man. So
Yes, I know.
no, I couldn't play the nice game now. I have to tell her, say, yo, here what? We are good at she a call. I tell her, say, me her father. I tell her, I can't play the nice game
No
no
man, you could
no,
never
man,
do
me
that.
no longer
you could
nice
never
guy.
do that.
And
You
she
could
a call.
never do that. No.
Answer.
No.
Answer. Because me I tell her to cry. She a cry today.
Let me call you back here.
Oh.
Let me call you back. It's alright now.
Me I tell you.
A
Cause
joke can make. You could never
I've been-
really
I've been-
tell her. A liar, a joke can make. No wrong put me some man.
Listen, man. Fan she have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a cold.
Fire joke
Yeah.
can make.
No.
How you mean tell her? How you don't care about her then. You don't care about her. How
You
you
don't care
gonna
about
perplex
me.
her in childhood
What
so?
about me? Me have to
You're so
Am I
comparing
here,
now.
man? You know me have money now.
And the money make it you have forgot the childhood.
No.
She have her exams, she have her life to
No,
lead.
me
Why
a-
you never make she lead her life first? So
When-
sort out her life first. So what you
No,
really
me
did
not
that
start
for?
out her life here.
Sort out her, you forgot her life here now.
No. What you talking about? What you talking about?
like
No
you
more
could
nice.
do?
But you going like, no, I'm my own.
Yeah,
I'm
but
the
your
one-
party place now, you know, members say, I just a side man you did there, you know. You
Yes.
was just on the side, you know.
Side
we have a
man.
relationship, you know.
Yeah, no, me not.
So when you come
No.
mess up everything.
Talk
dude.
to her if you not tell nobody else, but me tell she, so she know, say me and her related and I'm her pooper, and me go buy her vehicle, and me go build her
Why
house.
you full up the childhood with foolishness?
no,
you
we
know,
go
say
do-
you never have a pot for pissing up. Eh?
No, me have more than pot to piss in her.
Jaja.
Me get a
That's why I
contract.
don't
No.
like you with certain
See no
people,
man,
you know.
me say me get a contract you know. Big building me a building now.
So you
Money
think
to
how
there.
money right? What happened to her feelings? You don't care about her feelings, eh?
No,
The whole time she a live.
Hello. The piece of money me give her today, she have big old smile on her face. Look at some money.
Oh, surprise! You try
No.
buy me picnic.
Well,
You come for mash up my life, not
no, me
true?
nah mash up her life.
What me do?
Nah,
What
no.
me really do?
No,
You feel
nah.
for mash up my life, Sophia?
Why you make it look like I'm me the bad person?
Me talk to you. We make agreement, say you go wait.
Wait till when?
Me tell you when already.
When?
Me
Tell me
can't
again.
believe.
Tell me again.
Me can't
'Cause every
believe
time-
you really go
Every
to
time you
this
shift
fire,
it,
man.
no, tell me when for wait now. You shift the boundary every time.
Me
Every
shift
time.
the boundary.
When
you
she-
come to me at the wrong time.
Alright, so now me stop come to you. Me tell her what is going on. I mean, not more to say. Me can't play the nice guy no more. I'm not the nice guy. Say me are the evil one, say me are the bad one. That's good, me gone.
What is man? Me I go get out of this job. What me I go? Hey baby. No, I want to talk to you. Where you there? Where you there?
I don't really want to talk to you right now because I don't call you and never the answer, so I don't want to talk to you right now.
No, baby, please. Me need to talk to you. Where you there?
Well, let me there for Alfred Road, you know, I want to go on and drink right now because I hear something today and I really need a strong drink. So what happened?
Alright, now do nothing rush. Don't move. Me I come. Don't move.
Alright, do we have to?
Bye. No. We need to talk to you.
No, I don't want to talk to you right now.
Okay.
Me ask you the question. Me say, Am I a jacket? You said no.
You're not jacket, baby girl. You're not no jacket.
So out
You're
of
a
the
child of love.
So how the Rasta man and my father? Me know the man for about a year now. And not him and my father. And me never know that. Me ask you the question yet. You not take God off a cross.
You never
I
know.
say I'm like my father.
You never know how to tell you, baby. You
But
never
me
know how to
ask
tell you.
you.
Her mom grow you as his. The Rasta man, he was just a fling. Mark as your father, Mark as my husband, Mark as the man that know, Mark as the man that raised you.
Me one auntie tell me, say he is not. And me tell you, me say me not have
Sorry.
nothing, man. Me not have nothing.
No, but him raise you. And him wipe your tears when you cry.
Okay, where was
And him raise
why
you.
my father did in a picture you black him out. Why you black out?
No, not no
Just
go so,
stop it,
baby girl.
stop
No, let me
Every
explain.
time you
No,
tell
let
me
me explain. Not no go so. No, he wasn't even supposed to be in the picture in the first place.
Every time I tell him what here, and he come here and see like
I
that.
saw him tell you. No, baby, not no go so. Me didn't go to him and tell him when me tell him see me pregnant, he never want no. And Mark did it for me. And Mark is such a good man. And him tell me say we raise you and we try. That man ain't no nothing. He was just a sperm donor, baby. Mark
He
is
see me today and he tell me, you know how much money he give me? Did you know how many money
a
he give me?
bribe him, a bribe
No,
you.
bribe me, my father.
I'm not.
It's
Am I your
not my
sperm donor? I know your father. Mark is your father.
Spread down your pit, then that should have picked your gun if they be your mother.
Him never
He
want
come
know
back.
you.
He came back.
Him come back. When did that?
Why you want
When did that all this
Why
time?
make
Him
you want
never
it?
want know you all this time, baby, and me and mom.
Why you want wait until me 25 him tell me then?
No, I lie him and tell.
And you tell him that?
No, I lie him and tell, baby. Don't believe. Baby. You know your mother. Me your mother. You know me. You know me. You might try come between me and you. Don't make that happen. You might try come between me. If you try mash up me a Mark from long time, you know, I try bad time.
Me don't know what to believe. Me can't
Baby,
believe
you don't
you.
know it. You
I
don't know
cannot
it.
believe it. You tell me see a man father know what different man.
Alright, baby, me shouldn't lie about
I
that.
cannot believe you.
No.
I can't even trust you.
No, alright. Me shouldn't tell you lie about that. But it's for your own good.
What will you hide me from? From me real father?
No, that's not a real father. That's a side. It was a side. It wasn't even supposed
And
to
you
happen.
put it on the side.
No,
Why you
it
never
wasn't
keep
supposed
one
to
man?
happen.
Why you never keep one man then?
It wasn't supposed to happen. It wasn't supposed to happen. And then me find out some pregnant. And then when we got talk to him, me and Mark wasn't going good at the time, and we got tell the rest of it. Him no want no.
And then
Mark,
you
take
tell
you
Mark.
on.
And then you tell Mark and him decide to carry the bird.
Yeah.
Bird!
You're not a bird, baby.
Me not look
Mark
like
love
it.
you.
That's why you want world. I tell you something, I'm
No, freak the world. I'm in a business with the world right now. Are you me concerned with? Are you me concerned with? Don't worry about the world. And don't worry about him. Him and your father. Him no raise. Him no know nothing about
Me
you. He
neither.
not say
Me
trying to
neither.
buy you.
Me I don't want DNA test. He offered to do it and we are going to do a DNA test. And then we will
I
see.
did it for the best. I did
We are
everything for
going
you.
to do a DNA
Baby, I
test.
did everything for
We are
you.
going to do a DNA
No,
test.
baby, I tell you the
Listen, you
truth.
want to know my real father.
Baby, I tell you the truth.
God no know.
Agree with her now?
May I tell you the truth? Come out of this, man. This is nonsense. This is me and my daughter. May I try to tell you. May I try to tell you. May I try to tell you the truth. No, well, listen to the world. The world are nice. Me and your mother.
You were the right.
The world are nice.
The world
The
is
world are
right.
nice.
The world is right to Mark and about my father. The world ignorant. Everybody tell me to
Violating and make him the father. Mark raise you. Mark wipe his tears. Mark worry about you. I him you grow calling daddy. We do everything for you, no, baby. Everything
So
we
you
do
hide
for
the
you.
truth. You hide the truth from me.
And I hide the truth from
Why
you.
are you
I never
hide
want
the
to
truth from
confuse
me?
you.
Why are you confused me by
I never
telling
want
me
to
who
confuse
is
you.
my father?
I never want to confuse
Why
you.
you gonna confuse me? If you tell me who I'm
You go through your education.
So
You go through your exams, right? Every time you come, you just come for mash up with life, you know. You just come for mash up with life. Everything I go good, and him a fart thoughts, and him frig up him life, and now he see me happy, and he want to mash that up.
If him come on me 6 year old attempt if he come on me
No, baby, not go so.
Not
go so.
and he coming.
I lie him, I tell. I lie him, I tell you. He just want to confuse you. Me's your mother. You have to believe me, baby. You have to believe me. Me's your mother. You can't manage.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. So the first 2 months, me I go try out some new axes and see, what go take place. So it's up to you, the viewers, to leave the comments and tell me how are they doing, and so we can build them as we have built many actresses before. You know what I mean? So I just the period I'm upon now. Build some new actress, right? So next week we'll come with some different ones, and as we go along, we'll intertwine. You know what I mean? So I'll be at work though. Where I go and put in it, I try do the best we can do. With what we have. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Give thanks to life, oh Jah. It's just another day. You know what I mean? And we keep on blazing the fire. Yeah, man. So big up to all of the people that want support the movement from that time till this time, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? It's just been a journey, and we still a continue. And none of it talk about much because who know already, you know what I mean? So with our yard, it's not a pretty place as many may assume it to be in terms of growth and anything, but what with us, you're bound with a card, and you have to just deal with it. You know what I mean? So it's just over there. Really, I try to survive it. You know what I mean? So who no. Yeah, man. So we there go and put in the work as usual. We can't do more than that for now. You know what I mean? And we are shoot the next series in the meantime. One high school series. So it took up enough of the time. So by the time, so we get some late posts on the Sundays them. So check it out, man, and tell a friend, man. Because we have a lot of work to do. Alright? Enough respect all the time, man. Burn it down to the ground.
Find something though. Father God. We put maths on the board and this one I come with 1 Ashel B plus 1 Ashel B. Equals top artist. Look here now. We don't need glasses to see the work on the board, miss. The work is not this. The work is very simple. Young lady, 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 8, 16. 7 times 2 is 14. These are the simple maths. Come no, man.
Sir, but you're not teaching not ready time.
Jesus Christ.
Not teaching not good.
Find a seat, please. Sir. Next. Who next? Who next? Who next?
Sir,
Who next?
Again.
How far book you got copy of?
Sir, I'm going to circle.
4 plus 4 is what? Let me say if you know it.
8. Oh.
So how 10 plus 10 are 24? Call yourself 10.
10.
Add 10 more.
10.
Jesus Christ.
20.
40 plus 40 is 1,000.
I don't feel I'm working either. I don't say this, please. Yeah, see that.
How 40 plus 40 is 1,000, then you have 50 plus 50 down here, so give you 100.
Don't.
Then if everything you come in here, sir, and just put it on the
You
board.
chat too much.
And that's why you're not.
Look here now,
No
look
way.
here now. You need to go fix up this. Go fix this, please.
Ready? You know why I said that? I'm going to walk next to you here, ready and awesome.
Young man, what you doing today?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Blackwood.
Everything is terrible.
You want me to wait on
You waiting on me? What the reason? Doing on my day.
Sorry about that, Mr. Blackwood.
Everything is terrible.
I was just waiting on you.
Why? Why you waiting on me?
Some a little peanut for you.
No, it's okay. Thank you for peanut. Because
Seriously?
this morning I come late and I'm going to say you brought something for me. No, what is it? We are bribing for this
Blackwood,
time.
I'm just showing my appreciation.
No.
You have been a wonderful teacher to me. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
You taught me so much. But to come to summertime now, right? We are
Right,
going to
you have
we are
classes?
go off, right? You ever got here yet?
No, never really.
Mr. Blackwood, come here. Can you just stand up for like Mr. Blackwood? Mr. Blackwood, come here. Just stand up. Just stand up for her. Just stand up for her.
Because
Oh, just stand up right here, Mr. Blackwood. Right there, sir.
you make me get in a trouble and I lose my life.
No, Mr. Blackwood, hold on.
Alright.
That's it.
So me can't hear from over here.
If you come on to
Me can't hear from over
someone,
here so.
no, my life gonna stand up close to me. So
Okay.
I'm gonna book her here for 1 week. Yeah.
Mr.
Yeah. I'm gonna book her here for 1 week, right?
What?
1 week. Now you're gonna book in area.
Do it that too.
I mean, no, we're not doing that.
No, you cannot do that. You have to go far. No.